morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.9% in the last session. The MACD plunged into the negative area. Bitcoin has added 9.5% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI has bounced upwards into overbought territory. The price of gold has added 0.7% in the last 3 sessions. The CCI is losing steam and is currently neutral. The price of crude oil has lost 3.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has collapsed into the negative area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Wall Street's main indexes swung in all directions as investors closely tracked ongoing negotiations in Washington related to the coronavirus stimulus package. PayPal announced that it is introducing a way for customers to buy, hold, and sell certain cryptocurrencies within the PayPal wallet. The U.S. economy continued to recover at a slight to modest pace through early October as consumers bought homes and increased spending.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK retail sales will be released at 400 GMT, the German manufacturing PMI at 530 GMT, the German IFO Business Climate Index at 600 GMT, the UK manufacturing PMI at 630 GMT, the US Market Composite PMI at 1145 GMT, and the U.S. Services PMI at 1145 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.